Hello, Zundamon. I wanna know the university admission results of Shibuya LALL Japanese Language School.
Sure, I will tell you about the best 9 universities that the students actually entered so far. Number 9, Yokohama City University is a public university in Japan known for its strong focus on research and international education. Located in Yokohama, it offers a modern campus near one of Japan's most international and scenic port cities. The university provides English to all programs and extensive support for international students. Number 8, Ochanomizu University is a prestigious national university in Japan known for its strong focus on women's education and excellence. Located in Tokyo, it offers a safe, supportive, stimulating learning environment. The university provides English-taught courses and dedicated support services for international students. Number 7, Hokkaido University is one of Japan's top national universities, well known for its excellence in research and education. Located in Sapporo, it offers a beautiful campus surrounded by nature and a high quality of life. The university provides many English art programs and strong support for international students. Number 6, Nagoya University is a prestigious national university in Japan, recognized for its strong research and academic achievements. It is located in Nagoya, a major city at the center of Japan, offering convenient access to both Tokyo and Osaka. The university provides a variety of English-taught programs and comprehensive support services for international students. With a diverse and inclusive campus, students can engage in cutting-edge research and global academic exchange. Number 5, Keio University is one of Japan's oldest and most prestigious private universities, known for its strong tradition of academic excellence. Located mainly in Tokyo, it offers students access to a global business, culture, and innovation hub. The university provides a wide range of English taught programs and comprehensive support for international students. With close ties to industry and a diverse international community, Keio encourages practical learning and global engagement. Keio University is an excellent choice for international students seeking high-quality education and real-world opportunities. Number 4, Waseda University is one of Japan's most prestigious private universities, known for its global outlook and academic excellence. Located in the heart of Tokyo, it offers students access to a dynamic city with rich cultural and professional opportunities. The university provides many English-taught programs and strong support systems for international students. With a diverse student body from around the world, Waseda fosters an international and inclusive learning environment. Waseda University is an ideal place for international students to develop global perspectives and achieve their academic goals. Number 3, Osaka University is one of Japan's leading national universities, known for its strong research and academic excellence. It is located in the vibrant Osaka area, offering a perfect balance between advanced study and rich cultural experiences. The university provides a wide range of programs taught in English and offers strong support for international students. Students at Osaka University can enjoy a diverse, global campus with opportunities for interdisciplinary learning. Osaka University is an excellent place to study and grow academically and personally. Number 2, Institute of Science Tokyo, also known as Science Tokyo, is a leading national university specializing in science, engineering, medicine, and health sciences. It was formed to integrate advanced research and education across technology, medicine, and interdisciplinary fields. The university offers strong programs taught in English and welcomes students from around the world. With campuses mainly in Tokyo, students benefit from both cutting-edge research facilities and a vibrant urban environment. Science Tokyo aims to solve global challenges by fostering innovation, collaboration, and scientific excellence. Number 1, the University of Tokyo, often called Todai, is Japan's leading research university and one of the top universities in Asia. Founded in 1877, it offers a wide range of programs across science, engineering, humanities, and social sciences. The university has several campuses in Tokyo, with Hongo being the main and most historic one. Students from all over the world study here, creating a diverse and international academic environment. Todai encourages critical thinking, innovation, and global perspectives, making it an exciting place to study and research.